Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will use ChatGPT to create a simple content generator for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media platform you want. This is just a basic idea. You can improve upon it to achieve better results. In this tutorial, we will create a quotes generator, but you can create other types of apps, such as joke generators, poem generators, or short tutorial generators. Choose your own niche. The result of this tutorial is a simple app that generates random quotes with random image backgrounds. You can improve it yourself, like changing it to a random video background to make it more attractive. So, let's get started. 1. Basic app. In this section, we will create a basic HTML5 app for generating random quotes from an external API without an API key. You can copy all of my prompts and final code from this tutorial in the video description and the article on my website. The link is also provided in the video description. Now open your ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Wait for the process to complete. Then copy all the generated code. Open Notepad or your text editor, paste the code, and save it as quotesgenerator.html. Now, open the HTML file. It will look like this. When you click the button, the app will create another random quote. 2. Style. Now let's make our app more visually appealing by adding CSS 3 styles. The final result will look like this, or maybe a little different. Three. Animation. Add some animation when new quotes are generated. This will be useful for those who want to record videos from this content generator. Here are the results, though the animation may be different on your end.
Also be. This could go on for infinity. Color coded just to keep me sane. My world is finally starting to take shape.
4. Background. Let's add a random image from an external API without an API key. Here is the result. The background will change every time you refresh the web page. Now you can create content from this simple app. For image content, you can easily take a screenshot. For video content, you can record with a screen recorder, including the animation. You can try this app on our website. The link is in the video description. Or just copy the code and run it on your own computer or mobile phone. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next AI tutorial video.